How to make a phone call in iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can make a phone call on iPhone. Now this video is strictly for iPhone beginners, so if you're a beginner and if you do not know how to make a phone call, this is how you do it. So the first step is you will need to have a SIM card assigned to you. You will also need a phone number. After you have that, what you'll need to do is you can simply head over to this phone icon that is on the bottom left corner and you'll be on the keypad option. After you're on the keypad option, simply type in the number that you want to call. Now each number is assigned to a different person, so after you type in a phone number, you can simply call that person. Make sure that the number that you type is correct, and after you get the number, you can simply tap on this green icon here to do a call. Basically how you do a call. Now you can also save a number. You can head over to the recent options to check out the recent you can check out the recent calls that you've made or the calls that you've received. If you head over to the contacts, you will get the option to save contacts. You will see all of your contacts available here. If you want to add a new contact, you can do that from the top right corner as well. So that is basically how you can make a phone call on iPhone, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.